In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube only working on Wi-Fi. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, swipe from the top right corner to open up Control Center, and here if your Wi-Fi icon highlighted with blue color, just hit there once to temporarily turn off Wi-Fi. So now we need to use our mobile data, and once you did that, you can hop out Control Center and then open up your web browser. Just open up google.com and right here type in speed test and then hit on search. Then you can open up speedtest.net website, and here all you have to do is check your internet connection. Just hit at that big go button and wait until speed test is finished. Here, as you can see, I got no problem with my cellular data connection. It's up to 3 megabytes, and it means that mobile internet connection is actually working, so we have to find problem somewhere else. Now I can hop out my browser and open up YouTube app. Then hit at your profile page, settings, and here tap on video quality preferences. There are settings for mobile networks and Wi-Fi networks, and all you have to do is just hit at any of the options, and here you can set video quality preferences for mobile data and for Wi-Fi data. And if quality of your video is quite bad on mobile networks, so probably this feature may set to data saver. If that's your situation, just hit right here on auto or higher picture quality. I recommend you to set this feature on auto on both of that settings. Now there, if it doesn't help, you can hop out YouTube application and then open up your settings. Then tap at mobile data and here scroll down until you find YouTube. So actually this option gives permission for applications to use mobile data, and here you need to check if this switcher next to YouTube toggled on. If it's toggled off, it means that YouTube application doesn't have permission to use mobile data, so just hit right there to toggle this feature on. Write down in the comments below if it helps you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.